Yo, what's up, India? For years we've been hearing the buzz, watching videos from all over the world and wondering when our time would come. Well, that time is now. The future of driving has officially rolled into our country. I'm talking about Tesla, the brand that completely changed the game for cars. People are losing their minds with excitement, and for good reason. This isn't just about a new car company arriving. It's about a massive leap forward in technology and a whole new way of thinking about how we travel. The energy is electric, quite literally, and it feels like we are at the start of an epic new journey. So, what's the big deal with Tesla? For anyone who doesn't know, Tesla, led by the visionary Elon Musk, isn't just a car company. It's a tech revolution on wheels. They are famous for making electric vehicles, or EVs, that are not only amazing for the environment, but are also incredibly fast, super smart, and look like they've been teleported from the future. These cars have mind-blowing acceleration, giant touchscreens that control everything, and a cool feature called autopilot that helps with driving. It's the kind of innovation that makes you feel like you are living in a sci-fi movie. And now, that experience is right here on our home turf. For the longest time, seeing a Tesla on Indian roads was a rare sight, something you'd only see if someone privately imported it. We've been hearing whispers and rumors for years. In fact, Elon Musk first talked about coming to India way back in 2016. The wait felt like a long, winding road trip with no end in sight. But finally, after a lot of discussions and policy changes, the stars have aligned. As of July 15, 2025, Tesla has officially opened its doors in India. This is a massive moment for every car enthusiast, every tech lover, and anyone who cares about building a cleaner, greener future for our country. This arrival signals a major shift. It tells the world that India is ready to embrace the future of mobility. The excitement is not just about having a cool new car to aspire to. It's about the bigger message. It shows that India is a key player in the global EV market. For all the young people out there, this is a huge moment. It's a sign that the coolest technology in the world is no longer something you just see online. It's something you can experience firsthand. The adventure is just beginning, and trust me, you're going to want to be a part of this ride. Let's talk about the heart of the action, the brand new Tesla showroom. They didn't just pick any random spot. They went straight for the heart of Mumbai's financial district, the Bandra Kurla complex, or BKC. Located at the super posh Maker Maxity Mall, this isn't just a place to buy a car, it's an experience center. Think of it like an Apple store, but for cars. It's sleek, modern, and filled with cutting-edge technology. You can walk in, feel the vibe, and get up close with the cars that have taken the world by storm. It's a statement that says Tesla is here, and they mean business. So what's the first car they've brought for us? It's the one and only Tesla Model Y. This is an incredible choice for India. The Model Y is a compact SUV, which means it has plenty of space for the whole family and can handle our diverse city roads with ease. It's practical, stylish, and packed with all the signature Tesla magic. It is the perfect blend of performance and utility, making it an ideal first offering for the Indian market. Seeing the Model Y standing there, gleaming under the showroom lights, is a sight to behold. It's the hero car that will kickstart Tesla's Indian saga. Now, for the question on everyone's mind, how much does this dream machine cost? The Model Y is being launched in two versions. The rear-wheel drive model comes in at around 6 million rupees, while the long-range version, which can go further on a single charge, is priced at about 6.78 million rupees. Yes, this is definitely in the luxury category. It's not a car for everyone right now, but it sets a benchmark. It's an aspirational product that will compete with other high-end brands like BMW and Mercedes-Benz, pushing them to step up their own EV game in India. Walking into that showroom is more than just car shopping. It's like stepping into the future. You can learn all about electric power, how charging works, and experience the famous minimalist interior of a Tesla. The massive central touchscreen controls everything from music to navigation, and it feels more like a tablet than a car dashboard. For young Indians who have grown up with technology, this car will feel incredibly intuitive and exciting. The Mumbai Showroom is the first of many steps, a place where the dream of owning a Tesla becomes a reality for the very first time in our country. A big question is, where are these Model Ys coming from? Right now, every Tesla sold in India will be imported. They are being built in Tesla's massive factories, known as gigafactories, in other parts of the world, most likely in Shanghai or Berlin. This is why the cars have a premium price tag. Importing a fully built car involves taxes and logistics costs, which adds up. This is a common strategy for many global brands when they first enter a new market. They start by importing to test the waters and build demand before making a bigger investment in local manufacturing. This brings us to the next point. Why isn't Tesla building a factory in India right away? For a long time, the main roadblock was India's high import taxes on electric cars, which were up to 100%. However, the Indian government made a game-changing move in early 2024. They lowered the tax to just 15% for certain EVs, but with a condition: the car company must invest at least $500 million in the country and commit to building a local factory within 3 years. This new policy is what paved the way for Tesla's entry. They are using this opportunity to start sales first. So, what are the chances of a Made in India Tesla? The conversation is still ongoing. As recently as June 2025, government officials mentioned that Tesla wasn't ready to commit to manufacturing just yet. Elon Musk is known for being very careful with his big decisions. He wants to make sure the market is strong enough before setting up a massive factory here. Building a gigafactory is a huge undertaking, and it requires the perfect business conditions. The current plan seems to be launch the cars, see how people respond, and then decide on the next big move. The future is full of possibilities. If the sales of the imported Model Y are strong, it will send a powerful signal to Tesla's headquarters. A successful launch could accelerate plans for local production. Imagine a Tesla gigafactory in India, creating thousands of jobs and making EVs more affordable for more people. That's the ultimate goal. For now, Tesla is taking it one step at a time, but their entry itself is a massive vote of confidence in India's potential. The journey has begun, and the road to a local factory is the next major milestone we're all watching for. Tesla's arrival is about more than just one brand. It's a supercharger for India's entire electric vehicle mission. Our government has a bold target: to have 30% of all new cars be electric by 2030. That's a huge goal, and having a global leader like Tesla in the market will create a massive ripple effect. It will push other car companies to innovate faster, expand their EV lineups, and improve their technology. When a player like Tesla joins the game, everyone else has to level up. This competition is fantastic news for us, the consumers, as it will lead to better cars, more choices, and eventually, more affordable prices. While the Model Y will initially compete in the luxury space against German brands, its impact will be felt everywhere. The main players in India's current EV market, like Tata Motors and even the Chinese giant BYD, will be watching closely. Tesla's presence will raise awareness about EVs like never before. It will get more people talking about electric cars, asking questions about charging, and considering making the switch. This increased public interest is crucial for building the charging infrastructure and the entire ecosystem needed for EVs to become mainstream. Tesla's brand power is so strong that it lifts the entire industry. Think about the environmental impact. Our cities are struggling with air pollution, and shifting to electric vehicles is one of the most powerful solutions we have. Every Tesla on the road is one less car pumping out harmful emissions. By making EVs cool and desirable, Tesla is inspiring a whole new generation to think differently about their responsibility to the planet. It connects cutting-edge technology with environmental consciousness. This is especially important for young Indians, who will be inheriting the world we build today. Driving an EV becomes not just a choice of transport, but a statement about the future you want to live in. Ultimately, Tesla's entry into India marks the beginning of a new era. It's a story of technology, ambition, and a cleaner tomorrow. It will change not just our roads, but also our mindset. The journey will have its challenges, from building enough charging stations to making EVs affordable for everyone. But the first, most difficult step has been taken. The future of travel in India is going to be faster, smarter, and cleaner. The roar of the engine is being replaced by the silent hum of electric power, and with Tesla now officially in the race, that future is closer than ever. Get ready, India. The ride is about to get electrifying.